In 2025, tech layoffs felt like the new normal. Depending on who you ask, the numbers were staggering. Crunchbase reported that around 126,000 workers at US-based tech companies lost their jobs, while other trackers like layoffs.fyi showed a global figure closer to 122,000. And while many of these cuts were blamed on the usual suspects, overhiring and a tough economy, AI was frequently part of the conversation. One report from Challenger Gray and Christmas even suggested that U.S. companies directly pointed to AI as the reason for over 54,000 job cuts. But that was just the warm-up. The great AI job purge of 2026 is coming. And it's not just for tech jobs. But here's the thing. Amidst this chaos, a new class of professionals isn't just surviving, they're thriving. They're becoming more productive and more in demand than ever. The difference between becoming obsolete and becoming irreplaceable comes down to a few key strategies. And in this video, I'm going to lay out the exact playbook for you to not just get through the coming shift, but to master it. Section 1. The storm on the horizon. Before we jump to the solutions, you have to understand the scale of what's happening. This isn't just about ChatGPT writing your emails. We're talking about a fundamental shakeup of the entire economy. You've probably heard commentators use the term AI bubble to describe the wild surge in the market value of AI-focused companies. That hype drove incredible investment, but it also put massive pressure on businesses to automate and cut costs, a trend that definitely fueled the 2025 layoffs. We saw hiring freezes and a major slowdown in white-collar job growth, especially for the entry-level roles that have always been the first step on the career ladder. The World Economic Forum's 2025 Future of Jobs report is a must-read on this. It forecasts that while AI will create millions of new roles, it will also displace millions of existing ones by 2030. We're already seeing the start of this. There's growing evidence that roles with high exposure to generative AI, like those in creative fields and content generation, are facing pressure. Some experts, like Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei, have given stark warnings, suggesting that AI could disrupt as much as half of all entry-level white-collar jobs in the next few years. And while some predictions can feel extreme, the trend is undeniable. Routine, cognitive work is being automated faster than ever before. This isn't some far-off problem. It's a today problem that's picking up speed for 2026. The ground is shifting under our feet, and standing still is the fastest way to get left behind. Section 2. The pivot, from victim to architect. Okay, that was the bad news. If you're feeling a little anxious, that's completely normal. But fear is not a strategy. The idea that we're all doomed to be replaced by machines is just wrong. It's a passive narrative. The real story, the one high performers are writing for themselves, is all about taking control. The most successful professionals are not competing against AI. They are collaborating with it. They're using it as a tool to become more productive, more valuable, and to free themselves up for the work that only humans can do. PwC's 2025 Global AI Jobs Barometer has some fascinating data on this. It found that industries with more exposure to AI are actually seeing wages rise twice as fast as those in less exposed industries. And here's the real kicker. Workers with specific AI skills are commanding an average wage premium of 56%, a figure that more than doubled from the previous year. AI is not a tidal wave that will indiscriminately wash everyone away. Think of it as a powerful new current. You can either be pulled under, or you can learn to navigate it. Let it carry you forward, faster than you ever imagined. The rest of this video is your navigation guide. We're breaking it down into 4 core strategies. Section 3. Strategy 1. Build your core AI competencies. First things first, you have to develop foundational AI literacy. This is non-negotiable. You don't need a PhD in machine learning, but you absolutely cannot treat AI like a magic black box anymore. So what does that actually mean? It starts with understanding the basic concepts. Get comfortable with terms like machine learning, natural language processing, NLP, and retrieval augmented generation, RAG. These are the engines powering the tools you use every day. Next, you have to get your hands dirty. This means going beyond just messing around with ChatGPT and actually integrating AI tools into your workflow. Use GitHub Copilot to help you code. Use AI summarization tools to get through long reports. Or use multimodal models to prototype creative ideas. The goal is to build practical, demonstrable experience. The demand for these skills is exploding. Employers are searching for people who can connect business needs with what AI can do. This includes specialized roles like machine learning engineer and AI data analyst, but it also means applying AI skills to existing jobs. A marketing manager who knows how to use AI for performance analysis, or a financial analyst who can use it for predictive modeling, is suddenly way more valuable. Where do you start? The barrier to entry has never been lower. Platforms like Coursera have seen huge surges in AI course enrollments. One report in 2024 noted that enrollments in Gen AI training grew to an average of 6 every minute. Your goal should be to build a small portfolio of 3 to 5 real-world projects that show you can apply these tools to solve an actual problem. That hands-on proof is what will make you stand out. Section 4. Strategy 2. Become a hybrid professional. The era of being an expert in just one thing is winding down. The future belongs to the hybrid professional, someone who combines deep expertise in their field, like healthcare or law, with a strong command of AI. AI is a general-purpose technology. Its real power is unlocked when it's applied to specific, real-world problems. An AI model can't grasp the subtleties of a legal contract without a lawyer to guide it. It can't diagnose a patient without a doctor providing critical context. This is where you come in. Your years of experience and domain knowledge are not obsolete. They are more critical than ever. But you have to be the one who can translate that expertise into the language of AI. You need to be the bridge. For instance, a graphic designer who masters prompt engineering for image generation becomes an AI art director, creating campaigns at a speed and scale that was once impossible. An HR professional who uses AI for talent analytics can spot hiring trends and skill gaps with stunning precision. A teacher who uses AI to build personalized learning plans becomes a curriculum architect, tailoring education to each student's needs. The data backs this up. PwC's research shows that AI is augmenting jobs, helping people do their work better. They even found that productivity growth has nearly quadrupled in industries most exposed to AI, precisely because AI amplifies expertise. It doesn't replace the ability to think. Think about your current job. What are the repetitive, data-heavy tasks that eat up most of your time? That's where AI can be your co-pilot. Now, what are the strategic, creative, and complex problems you wish you had more time for? That's the work you can elevate yourself into by handing off the grunt work to your new AI toolkit. Section 5. Strategy 3. Master the irreplaceable human advantage. If everyone is learning AI skills, what will truly set you apart? The answer is to double down on the skills that AI can't replicate. For the foreseeable future, AI struggles with true creativity, complex critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and genuine leadership. While AI can generate text or images based on patterns, it can't have a truly original idea born from lived experience. It can analyze data for correlations, but it can't apply strategic wisdom to decide what to do next. It can simulate empathy, but it can't build real trust or inspire a team. These so-called soft skills are becoming the new hard skills. The World Economic Forum and other analyses consistently point to skills like analytical thinking, creative thinking, resilience, and curiosity as the most in demand for the future workforce. These are the durable skills that provide long-term career security. So how do you build them? Seek out complexity. Don't run from ambiguous problems that have no clear answer. That's where you train your critical thinking and problem-solving muscles. Practice collaborative leadership. Focus on communication, persuasion, and building consensus. Your ability to rally a team of both humans and AI tools around a common goal is an invaluable skill. Cultivate your creativity. Do things outside of your job that force you to think differently. Learn an instrument, take a writing class, build something with your hands. This cross-pollinates your thinking and sparks innovation. In a world flooded with AI-generated content, the premium on genuine human insight, judgment, and connection is only going to grow. The future belongs to those who are not only tech-savvy, but also deeply, irreplaceably human. Section 6. Strategy 4. Commit to continuous evolution. The final strategy isn't a single action, but a mindset. You have to become a lifelong learner. The skills employers are looking for are changing at a dizzying pace. PwC found that the skills needed for AI-exposed jobs are changing 66% faster than for other jobs. This means the AI tool you master today might be old news in 18 months. The hot programming language could be replaced by something more efficient. Your ability to adapt and learn new things quickly is the ultimate meta skill for survival. What worked in 2025 won't be enough for 2026, and what works in 2026 won't cut it in 2030. The job purge isn't a one-time event. It's a constant state of transformation. This means you need to actively schedule time for learning every single week. Stay curious and keep an eye on trends not just in AI, but in related fields. And get comfortable with being a beginner over and over again. One of the most interesting findings from recent research is that the demand for formal degrees is declining, especially for AI-exposed jobs. Employers are prioritizing proven skills and a portfolio of real-world projects over traditional credentials. This is fantastic news. It means your ability to advance is no longer locked behind a 4-year degree, but is instead driven by your own initiative and your commitment to upskilling. Your career is no longer a ladder to climb. It's a landscape you have to constantly navigate. Embrace this change, stay curious, and never stop learning. Conclusion and CTA. The great AI job purge of 2026 isn't a sci-fi fantasy. It's the next logical phase of a technological revolution that's already here. You can look at this moment with fear, or you can see it for what it is, the single greatest opportunity of your career. The game is changing, but the new rules are clear. Build your AI competencies. Fuse them with your unique domain knowledge to become a hybrid professional. Double down on your irreplaceable human skills like creativity and leadership. And above all, commit to a lifetime of learning. The future doesn't belong to those who fear the machines. It belongs to those who learn to build with them, create with them, and lead alongside them. If you found this video valuable and want more strategies for navigating the future of work, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.